3 FC Lupopo North Orlando Pirates. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje ngizokhuluma le game ade siyidlala namhlanje Orlando Pirates. Yabo. Angifuni ke ukukhuluma kakhulu. Yabo, angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu. I don't want to speak a lot on this match because to be honest I didn't watch this match. Yabo, I didn't watch this match. There was no coverage engiyibonile. Yabo, bakhona abanye abayibonile mhlambe bangitshela ama comments ngokwabo bona bayibone kanjani igame. But ke into engizokhuluma ngayo lana, a huge score it is. A huge score it is, but we have to look at the way we approach the game. We have to look ukuthi indlela esiyi-approach ngakhona igame siyi-approach kanjani. Why igame siyi-approach ngale ndlela siyi-approach ngakhona. Ingabe leyo nto isisebenzelile yini? First of all, this is a CAF Champions League game. This is a CAF Champions League game. This is not a Carling knockout. This is not your MTA need. This is not your Nedbank Cup. This is a major tournament that we must make sure ukuthi sithola ama-point, that we must make sure ukuthi siyawina. Njengoba siyidlalile nje leya game leya saluza amagoli amathathu sidlala away. That's a huge risk. That's a huge risk because if the team le ibuya la eSouth Africa ngeke izifune ukuyoyikolela Orlando Pirates. Izofuna ukusitha at the back. They will sit at the back and wait for Orlando Pirates ukukora amagoli. I'm not saying Orlando Pirates ukwazi ukukora amagoli ku second leg, but all I'm saying second leg I don't see the team le iLupopo iattack kakhulu. So let's talk about the approach. Indlela ucoach approaching ngakhona igame. I-lineup yanamhlanje. Lineup yanamhlanje bafethu, this was the lineup indlela ucoach lineup ngakhona. Up front you see indlela approaching ngakhona up front yethu ama forwards ethu. First of all ama forwards ethu. Ngizoqala nje ngama forward. Let alone uMakgopa mshiye nje eceleni uMakgopa. Look at uSibelebele and look at uTshepo Morim. You know very well ukuthi uTshepo Morim is a player that to take from the bench umfake egamini azokushintshela igame. Uyakwazi lokho. Uma engekho lo mfana lo mncane Mfukeng umelimele. Umele uqalise Osuna Police. You like it, you don't like it. Osuna Police mele awaqale ama games Orlando Pirates because uma sidlala ayikho creativity esizoba nayo. Yes, I'm not saying Tshepo Morim is not creative. Tshepo Morim is an exceptional player. He's an exceptional player, but currently he's not a starter in my books. He's not a starter in my books. Akwazi uqala ama games amaningi in my books, especially igame ekanje. This was his first time playing with Champions League. This was his first start with Champions League. Sibelebele ubeqala ukudlala ku Champions League. Nemtajela ubeqala ukudlala ku Champions League. Why are you starting these players? The first approach. I-approach ya coach mina ngokubona kwami, I feel like uqhubeka nale mentality yoku-undermine ama-team. Yabo le mentality le yoku-undermine ama-team engathi sidlala ama-cup games lawa amancane. These are not cup games. These are very very important games okumele siwa-approach ngobuchule nangokuthi uyafuna ukuyiwina igame. Singayi-approach ngokuthi vele le team le iyayazi Orlando Pirates ifundile Orlando Pirates. Yes, ifundile Orlando Pirates. They know ukuthi bazoyibulala kuphi Orlando Pirates because they studied that hard Orlando Pirates. Bafunde ngale Orlando Pirates le enzima. Hayi le Orlando Pirates le. Hayi abafundanga ngale Pirates le. Mhlawumbe ucoach ngokwakhe bezo approach igame ngokuthi mhlawumbe usobadida. Yabo, mhlawumbe bezobadida. But ke le team le ifunde ngale Orlando Pirates enzima. Yabo. Bawabukela ama games Orlando Pirates basibona isquad Orlando Pirates ibilana apha ngaso ebesinzima. Ngizoqala nje emuva kuma center backs. We have to speak about it. Bafethu akumele siyibalekele le ndaba le ye center back pairing Orlando Pirates. Currently i center back pairing ade sisebenzela ade kuyi center back pairing yabani Kambokazi benosibisi. Not Kambokazi benosibisi PC iyona le qalile. Ade sisebenzele eKambokazi benosiyema. Yabo ngixolise lapha. Kambokazi noSiyema. Umbokazi noSiyema ibona ade besebenzele kuLorlando Pirates. Why are you changing a winning team? I'm not complaining. I'm just looking at the approach. You saw uSibisi udlala u-90 minutes eMoses Mabhida against iZimbabwe. You saw uSibisi udlala u-90 minutes against iRwanda le Mbombela. You are putting the same Sibisi. You are playing away le eDRC. Umdlali osathana kubuya kuma games awu2 aphelele. Uyozomqalisa. Uzomdlalisa igame. Ekhona umdlalo njengoSiyema akalimele uSiyema. Siyema is there. Siyema is not injured. I'm not saying the goals came from his side. All I'm saying is that why are you changing a winning team? The reason why I'm saying that uSibisi for me he doesn't give us lento esinikeza uSiyema. uSiyema benombokazi bayakwazi ukuthi badlale lamabhola lawa wide azokwazi ukuthi anwebe ama wingers wethu. Mekuzonwebeka ama-wingers wethu azothola ispace lapha emakhoneni ezokwazi ukufaka amabhola eboxini, ezokwazi ukuba creative, abhekana no-keeper 1-on-1 kushawa igoli. When you have a player like uSibisi doesn't give you that. Sibisi, yes, he's a proper defender, he is defensive, but with those long balls, he doesn't give you those long balls. But when you have a player like uSiyema, that might give you something. Yabo, uzokunikeza something uSiyema with those long balls with uMbokazi. Bayakwazi ukuthi badlale ndawonye, bayakwazi ucomplementana. Sibisi noMbokazi nabo bayakwazi ucomplementana defensively. Offensively abakwazi ucomplementana. Offensively abajida abawuthiwa bawazi complementana. uMbokazi ilona side lakhe lisebenzayo lelokuthi ibhola liyengala, alihambi kakhulu liyengala. Ibhola laMbokazi liyaphuma liye kusibelebele. Usibelebele umuntu okwazi ukuthola amabhola aMbokazi kakhulu because usebenzisa left. Yazi akwazi ukushaya ibhola liye kuThepang Morim. That is why uThepang Morim uzombona ngathi akadlalanga kahle namhlanje because bengawathola amabhola amaningi ale wide azothola yena. So you needed a player like uSiyema ozokwazi ukushaya lawo ma-diagonal balls ahamba phezulu, azokwazi ukuthi amthole imjida mase ba creative ashaya amagoli lapha. Yabo, enye into engizoyi-highlighter isesiswini. Mhlambe ke abantu-ke sebeyozama ukuthi bakhulume kuma-comments basho bakushoyo, but esiswini bafethu, you have to speak about isiseso so-Orlando Pirates. You don't have to change engine Orlando Pirates. Angadlala kamnandi uNemtajela against the other teams adlala kumakhalini knockouts. Angadlala kamnandi uNemtajela against ama-team aqhamuka leko Lesotho, but you are in the big leagues right now. You are in the Champions League. Champions League is not a typical match. It is a serious match, especially ama-second prelim games. If you saw a game esayidlala against the Jwaneng Galaxy, you have to remember it's Orlando Pirates kade struggle kuma-second prelims. So when you put a player like Nemtajela is good with those fancy passes. Defensively, I don't see the player helping uSihle Nduli. Nemtajela, for me, is that player who is good with the ball. He's that player who is good with the passes. But when it comes to defend, he's a little bit skeptical. I'm a little bit skeptical, guy. What are you giving us defensively? A player like Kumbatha was not supposed to stay on the bench. A player like Kumbatha was supposed to stay, was supposed to play. A player like Kumbatha was supposed to start this game. Kumbatha bumela iqale le game. Understand. We have to be honest with ourselves. We have to be honest. We played against the Zimbabwe. It's like we lost against the Zimbabwe because isisu sebafana besingadlali kahle. Ubedlala yedwa lo mjida lo uNduli. Ubedlala yedwa not uNduli phese uTebogo Mokoena. Kwa introduce ba uObasa vele sabheda kakhulu. Second leg, not the second leg bese, but sidlala neRwanda. We introduced a player like Umbatha who is a number 8. Umbatha wenzani? Nambona uthi wenzani uMbatha. Why are you not starting uMbatha? Izona ke mina izinto engithe uyi-highlighter regarding i-approach Orlando Pirates. I don't think i-approach was clear. You can see the results. You can see by the results ukuthi i-approach ibingekho clear. Even though I didn't watch the game, I'm sure lezi zinto ngiyi-highlightile senzekile kwi-game. You can see approach game, let's approach ngakhona was totally a mess. It was totally a mess. But yeah, I'm not saying ngeke sibuye. Siyabuya next week. So dlala le eOrlando Stadium. The boys must be ready. Igame elandelayo uMfukeng kumele abe khona. Sithanda uMfukeng kumele abe khona. Players like Umbatha kumele baqale nesi game. I don't know. Ngangitshela nama comments, how do you feel about the game? Do you think sanali ithuba lokuthi sibuye? Siyadliwa right now 3-0. So we have to score more than 3 goals ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siyiwine le game le. We have to score. If you score amagoli mhlamba u4, yabo, I don't know. Ngangitshela ama comments, do you think it's possible ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuthi akore amagoli u4, or let's just forget about the Champions League? Let's just focus on the league. Yabo, judging by the players we have right now, I think the league is possible for us ukuthi siyiwine. Judging by the players esinabo. Yabo, mekwenzeka siphuma kwi-Champions League. Judging by the players we have, I think it's possible to win the league. But again, lento yoku-undermine ama-team kumele iyekwe. I think we undermined the team kakhulu kwele game namhlanje, and we undermine kwethu ikona ukusikwenze sadliwa nje ngescore esikhulu kabi bafethu. But ke second leg Orlando Pirates izobuya bafethu, sibuye kule video next week. score sophela nje ngo-5-3 igame next week. Uvanele bafethu ungakhohlwa subscribe nakwa Instagram ngikhona. Ngiyabonga.